Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at changing out the toner waste container on a Xerox VersaLink C400 or C405 printer. I'm Matthew and this is the printing workshop. First thing you're going to want to do is open the right side cover, and inside that cover is black triangular piece of plastic. That's your waste toner container. You'll have to unlock the orange lock. You'll do that by turning counterclockwise a quarter of a turn. Grab the waste toner container by the handle firmly. I like to put my thumb against the white part of the machine to give a little leverage, and then pull straight out. Now it's kind of hard to pull out sometimes, so you're gonna have to give it a good little tug. But that's normal, just pull straight out and it will come off. To go back on, it's very simple. You'll line those holes up with these rods coming off of the imaging unit and the transfer belt. Line those up, make sure it's on, give it a good solid firm push straight in. Make sure that that front and that rear latch get latched nice and flush. Then you'll relock with the orange handle, and then you'll close your right side cover. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.